How to find the post you've liked on Instagram. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and view all the posts that you've liked on Instagram. This can be useful if maybe you accidentally liked a post and you want to unlike it, or if you just want to find a post that you liked previously. In this video, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone and navigate to our profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, select the three bars in the top right of the app to open the menu. And then once the menu opens, select your activity. This is where you can see all of your activity on Instagram. So from here, we want to select interactions, which is the third option down. Then once in here, select likes. So this will show you all the different likes you've made on Instagram. You can even sort them at the top. This can help you find specific posts that you've liked. So once you're in here, you can select any of the posts and unlike them if you want to. All right, so that's how you find posts you've liked on Instagram. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.